Parts of the tongue and how each works. The tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth. The tongue is covered with moist, pink tissue called mucosa. The surface of the tongue is covered with small projections called papillae. Within the papillae are the taste receptors or taste buds. Each taste bud consists of a number of sense cells that are responsible for receiving different taste sensations. Papillae have taste buds, so you can taste everything. People are born with 10,000 buds. As person ages, some of the taste buds die. An old person may have at least 5,000 taste buds. This is the reason why some food may taste stronger for you than for an adult. Taste buds can distinguish the basic types of tastes: sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. Only recently, a Japanese scientist discovered the fifth basic taste, which is umami. Umami means pleasant and savory taste. Examples are cheese and steaks. The food that you put into your mouth mixes with your saliva. The saliva wets and dissolves the food particles. The taste receptors that react to the chemicals in the food receive the message and send it to your brain. Then the brain tells you what the taste is. The sense of taste and the sense of smell are closely related with each other. Have you experienced having difficulty tasting food when you have a cold? It is hard to taste food when you have a cold. This is because the sensation of taste is related with the sensation of smell. If the nose is blocked, you cannot detect the taste of food very well. Your nose is congested, so your sense of smell is affected and so is your sense of taste.